Hello students and welcome to the Capsule 2 of Matter in Our Surrounding. Till now we have discussed about what is matter, and in this session we will be discussing about the different states of matter. Well, we all know that matter is everything around us, like this pen, ball, sand and even you is made up of matter. But the vital question is, how do we define matter? We have already discussed in a previous class that matter is everything that has mass and occupies some space or has some volume. I'm sure you are already aware of what weight is. It is just how heavy something is. But what do we mean by taking up space or volume? Well, volume is the amount of space something occupies. For example, the ball occupies a very less volume. But if we talk about the sun, it occupies a very large volume. Likewise, different states of matter will fill volume in different ways, depending upon how big, little, long or short the object is. But why do they vary in looks and sizes? Well, that's because matter comes in different states. The three most common states of matter is solid, liquid and gaseous. Let's start with the most obvious state of matter, that is the solid state. There are objects that keep their own shape and do not flow in a given temperature. That means they have a fixed shape and volume. And the particles of solid are very closely packed to each other. The example of solids are cricket bat, study table, sugar cubes, glass, rocks, most metal, etc. Ice is a solid as well, but when it melts, it becomes liquid. Speaking about the liquid, they flow, move around a little and fill up the container you put them in. They do have a definite volume, but do not have a definite shape. So we can say that they take the shape of the container we put them in. The particles of liquid are loosely packed than that of solid. Well, what about the weight of water? We all know that water has weight. If you carry a water bottle with you and as you drink from the water bottle, it gets lighter and lighter, giving you the idea about the weight of water. And the next interesting state of matter, which cannot be seen easily, but it is there all the time, like the air we inhale, is a gas, is the third main state of the matter. And we have already discussed that air is a matter. Also, the particles of gases are very loosely packed, so they do not have a definite shape or volume. Also, we can change these states by increasing or decreasing the temperature. For example, water becomes ice below 0 degrees Celsius. This process of converting liquid to solid is called solidification. But if we increase the temperature, ice will start melting and after some time it will convert into liquid. This process of conversion of solid to liquid is called liquefaction. But if we constantly increase the temperature, we will notice that when the temperature reaches about 100 degrees Celsius, water will start boiling, thus it will change its state from liquid to gaseous. This process is called vaporization. The process in which gas converts into liquid, it is called condensation. And the process in which solid converts directly into gaseous state, it is called sublimation. For example, if we burn the camphor, it will change its state directly from solid to gaseous. Besides solid, liquid and gaseous, there are two other states of matter. These are plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate, which will be further discussed in your class. I think you understood the capsule and learned a lot. See you in the next capsule. Till then, keep learning.